Hi, my name is Mr. Orith Roy, and I am one of the founding directors of Medscape Community, a community we made to dedicate all the medicals out there. To survive in medical college, a bonding is needed between the students, teachers, and all the co-workers in our field. My focus is to spread love and make this community reach greater heights.
Hey, I am Akash Jaspal, one of the founding directors of Medscape Community. Ken Robinson once said, creativity is as important in education as literacy, and we should treat it as the same status. Being a strong believer of this code, despite being a medico, I wanted to keep my creative side alive and not to bury in the ideas of academic excellence.
Hi, my name is Sneha Tejwani and I'm glad to be a part of the Medscape community. The community has helped me explore a world beyond academics and has given me a chance to own my leadership skills. As the founding director of Medscape community, for me, the community is about bringing together people of all age groups so that no talent goes unrecognized and a wide range of opportunities are provided to the entire DY Patil fraternity. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Janvi Kataria, one of the founding directors of the Medscape community. Being a medical student is fascinating yet overwhelming, as balancing between academic performances, extracurricular activities, and quality of life at med school is no walk in the park. This community has also given me a chance to enhance my leadership, interpersonal, and transferable skill sets, allowing me to equip myself in a better way, further helping me to excel and have a more fulfilling life ahead.
Hey, my name is Rajul Singh, one of the founding director of Medscape community. This community is all about making a change and providing a common platform for everyone to present their skill. We help share student ideas and interest with the college-wide community. It's a great opportunity for me to foster my communication and teamwork skill.
Hey, I'm Anubhav Goswami and I'm the part of the Medscape community, which is an opportunity to learn and practice new skills and expand your horizon. The most rewarding aspect of being involved in Medscape is that you get to learn how the team works. I hope to give my best to everyone.
Medical school demands passion for both medicine as well as helping others. Apart from good grades, test scores, resumes, a good extracurricular activities are an important part of medical school. Medscape community is a platform designed to promote such passion and dreams of enthusiastic medical students and staff. With this platform, we have made sure that the various talents present among the DY Patil School of Medicine fraternity get recognized and well appreciated. The COVID-19 pandemic gave us an opportunity to challenge our inner self and follow our dreams apart from medicine. The community is started by a group of students with like mind who aim to turn this environment more friendly. The motto of our community is Quansic Somnia, which means to follow your dreams in Latin. We believe that one should dream big and make those dreams happen.
Our first event was Talent Showcase. An online stage was provided to flaunt all your hobbies and talents and to get the best out of you in the lockdown. Our second event was MediTalks 2020, an interview series to create awareness among the society and the medical fraternity at large. Our third event was Minding Your Minds. So minding your minds during this quarantine was something very crucial for everyone. Therefore, we encourage the DY Patil School of Medicine students and faculty members to share their ideas to stay sane in this lockdown. We presented this in the form of a video which is available on all our social media handles. The fourth event was Health Demic, an initiative introduced by us to reach out to our audience and see how they've been doing and how they're coping up. This helped everyone stay positive and creative in this quarantine. Our fifth event was Azadi, an Independence Day initiative. We organized a virtual live Independence Day program with a flag hoisting ceremony followed by incredible performances by the students. We asked our community what does independence mean to them, and they used the creative ways to answer this question, which was then compiled into a video.
Student welfare is the topmost priority of Medscape community. Our goal is to connect and communicate with the students so that they take part in extracurricular activities. We want them to nurture their interests, hobbies, talents, ideas and passions and expand their thinking capacities beyond the academic curriculum. We believe that mental and physical health are as important as academic excellence. Therefore, we conducted many mental health related activities and events to make sure that the students get involved and also to make sure that they are taking care of their mental health during these tough times. Our goal is to conduct debate competitions and help the students enhance their higher order and thinking skills. Thank you.
We are thinking of engaging the students in some interesting events through this virtual platform so that the lockdowns become easier for everyone and people use their time productively. We have seen some exciting and hidden talents of students in singing, dancing, painting, literature, sports, etc. We aim to provide them with a much better and a renovated platform. To overcome the fear of stage fright and anxiety during this pandemic, we will be conducting some online gaming tournaments, debates, webinars, alumni meets, and special awareness day events. Once the college reopens, we will be starting off with our offline events, which include visits and community service, live interviews, academic and non-academic competitions, and many other exciting events to be planned. Thank you.